Greetings students and welcome back to class. Today we are going to be teaching you how to find an even function, an odd function, or how to identify whether a function is neither even nor odd. So we'll move directly to the definition of an even function and an odd function. A function f of x is said to be even if f of negative x is equal to f of x, and it is odd if f of negative x is equal to the negative of f of x. So you've gotten this definition, and if you do not understand this definition, do not panic, because we are about to look at 3 of these examples to solve them, and then you will look at the last one to do the last one. You solve the last problem. So determine whether each function is even, odd, or neither. We have the first function here, a. We have f of x is equal to x squared. To determine whether this function is even or odd or neither, you find f of negative x. So f of negative x will be negative x all squared, and f of negative x will be equal to negative x all squared is s squared. So f of negative x has the same value as f of x. So because these two values are the same, we say f of negative x is equal to f of x. So since f of negative x is equal to f of x, this function is an even function. Great. So look at B. B says determine whether f of x is equal to s cubed is an even function or an odd function. So we go and write f of x is equal to s cubed. So we find f of negative x. This will be negative x all cubed. F of negative x will be equal to. Now, if you have a negative number raised to an odd power, the result will always be negative. So negative x all cubed is going to give you negative s cubed. If I rewrite this, I will have f of negative x is equal to negative. This s cubed is same as f of x. So negative f of x. F of negative x is equal to negative f of x. In this case, we say this function is an odd function, because f of negative x is equal to the negative of f of x by definition. So let's look at example number 3. C. F of x is equal to s squared plus 1 all divided by s cubed minus 1. Great. So we want to determine whether this function is an even function or an odd function. And to do that, we find f of negative x and compare the result with f of x. So f of negative x will be, replace x with negative x all squared plus 1 all divided by negative x all cubed minus 1. So f of negative x is equal to negative x all squared, that's s squared, plus 1 all over negative x all cubed, that's negative s cubed minus 1. Great. So f of negative x is equal to, if we rewrite s squared plus 1 and factor out a negative from here, we have negative 1, parenthesis will be s cubed plus 1. So this negative goes here, so we have f of negative x is equal to, if this negative goes here, we have negative s squared plus 1 all over s cubed plus 1. Now, compare this with f of x. So f of negative x is not the same as f of x, because here we have s cubed minus 1 and here we have s cubed plus 1. It is also not negative of f of x. This is not negative of f of x. So because of that, we say that this function is neither even nor odd. Great. So we'll leave example D with you, which is example number 4, and then you do that. When you are done, post your solution in the comment section for further review. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Bye.